Good morning, dear friends. First of all, a very happy Chartered Accountants Day, that is 1st July, is a CA day. To all my professional brothers, sisters, colleagues, friends in the same profession, have a wonderful CA day and may the tribe grow in this field on a daily basis. Number two, today is the fourth anniversary of the Goods and Service Tax Act, that is the GST Act, which was a big taxation change made by the central government 4 years back on 1st July 2017. So I wish all the department people involved in execution of this act and thank them for their timely help, and also to the government for simplifying this on a month to month basis and making more functional checks involved in the online portal. There are certain things which are applicable from today and new things which have been introduced. Number one, from today, that is 1st July 2021, section 206AB, 194Q and 206C kicks in. 206AB is for providing deduction of twice the specified rate of TDS in case the payee or the deductee has not filed his ITRs for the preceding two previous years or assessment years. This is covered in my separate video on my channel. And 194Q is TDS on purchases, which is applicable from today. TCS was applicable from 1st October 2020. This TDS on purchase is applicable from 1st July 2021. So this also has been covered with a format of undertaking and communication between purchaser and seller. So go through my video separately. Number two, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, has launched its new feature, Direct Finance Window, codenamed Liquid 2.0, for financing its existing customers only up to 20% of the peak outstanding in the last 12 months. It will finance its existing customers at 20%, that is the eligible finance will be 20% of the highest outstanding in the last 12 months, subject to a maximum of 1.5 crores and aggregate 2.5 crores. Now, why this aggregate 2.5 crores? Because there must have been some customers who have availed some funding in the last year during the lockdown as per the central government package. So including that, the peak advances being made under Liquid 2.0 will be 2.5 crores or 1.5 crores if it is being availed for the first time this year. The processing is very easy. There is no promoter's contribution. The interest rates will be subsidized. The processing fees will be subsidized, and the tenure will also be as per the main loan. So this is a very good scheme of SIDBI. Number three, on 25th June, the RBI has come out with a circular stating that in cooperative and urban banks, urban cooperative bank and cooperative bank, no MLA, MP, any politically affiliated person cannot be on board of directors of such banks. This is a very good step to my limited knowledge. Most of the cooperative banks are politically motivated, politically influenced, seen by the spate of bad loans in the last few years. So MPs, Member of Parliament, Member of Legislative Assembly, MLCs, corporators, those politically affiliated persons will not be able to be on the board of the bank. They cannot be chairman, MD or even director or hold any majority decision making post in the bank. This is wide circular as on 25th June 2021. RBI has brought out this. This is as per the central government's amendment of the Banking Regulation Act. That is why the RBI has brought out this circular. Number three, in my separate video, I had covered the definition of SMC, that is small and medium companies, has been amended in the accounting standard adopted by MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. those companies having turnover up to 250 crores and finance exposure up to 50 crores will be classified as a SMC, that is a small and medium company. This I had discussed in my earlier video. You can go through that. What are the benefits? The benefits of such upgradation is SMCs are not required to file cash flow statements, which will save them a big compliance burden. Number two, segmental reporting of revenues is not required. Segmental revenue, one company has got 4 or 5 brands, 4 or 5 branches through which they are achieving their turnover and performance. This segmental reporting is not required. Diluted earning per share is not required to be reported by SMCs. Now, what is diluted EPS, that is earning per share? In short, in a few words, it is the total value divided by the number of shares. Those shares are calculated on the basis of securities which have been converted into shares, and there is no such other securities left to be converted into shares. तो जो टोटल वैल्यू है और ऐसे शेयर से डिवाइड करेंगे वो डाइल्यूटेड ईपीएस है, तो ये भी रिपोर्टिंग की जरूरत नहीं है. और एक बेनिफिट ये है कि present value of asset using discounted cash flow method is not required. Only a estimated value of the assets in use, including their resale price, is to be declared. No calculation of discounted cash flows using a particular rate is required for SMCs, that is a small and medium companies. This SMC has been defined in my separate video. You can go through that. Again, dear CA friends, a wonderful CA day, and hope to continue giving more informative videos down the line. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful week ahead.